Why hello and welcome to this unboxing video. Today we're gonna unbox this dash cam. I bought this one from AliExpress. Let's first have a look around the box. Said black box traffic recorder and nothing here. Well, here it states that it's HD video recording, 2-inch HD display, 170-degree wide angle, rear view, loop recording, G sensor and audio recording. And here we can see some specifications. I'll have them in the description. And this is made in China. This camera can record both front view and back view. It has actually two cameras. So let's open it up and see what's come in the box. This is the camera itself, but let's keep that on side. Okay, so there is many things in the box. But first of all, there is this small camera and this cable. Okay. Then we have this power cable and a USB-C connector, and this will go into your cigarette lighter. And this is to mount the camera on your windshield or any suitable surface in your car. And this is the user manual. So let's have a quick look here on the user manual. There's two languages, English and Chinese. It says here that it's a 3-channel camera. That means these are actually 3 cameras. This is the camera itself. Let's have a look here. This is the front-facing camera and should be like that. Here we have a on, play, back or to scroll, M and OK. And here we have a button here, and there is this USB-C connector, and this will connect here. Okay, so this camera will be mounted on the back windshield to monitor behind the car, and this camera is to monitor what's in front of you, and this camera is to monitor inside the car. And you will mount it like that, and this can swivel. This is the max it will go, because this is to monitor the occupants inside the car, and this is for the front of the car. And this is why it has a long cable, because this will be connected to the back of the car. First, test this camera before checking the other cameras. Let me open this cable here. Okay, now you have the camera and you have this connection here. The red cable is not that long, so that means it will not go to the camera, but this cable is that long. So we have to figure out how to install it. And we have to figure out, okay, from this side also, you put the memory card, and this is it. It said it's a mic, and this is how we will mount it. Like so, we install this here and just slide it, and it will be mounted like this in the car, or like that, sorry. It will be mounted to the windshield, and this will face inside the car, and this will be outside the car to the front of the car. And this will be connected here. And this cable will be connected here. Then you have to route these two cables up your windshield. This will go to the back of the car, and this will go to your lighter socket. It says to use a class 10 or above memory card, and it will support a maximum of 32 GB and no less than 4 GB. And when wiring, extend the charging line along the edge of the car door frame and carpet under the car. Install the rear camera at the rear of the vehicle and pay attention to the up and down direction. Wiring can be buried along the edge of the car roof. There are 2 ways to install the rear camera: absorbed on the glass above and behind the car, This device will only support 2 cameras at a time. So either you want the front and the inside camera, or the front and the back camera. So if you don't want the back camera, you can just remove it. So this is the parking monitor. I don't need this anyway, so I'm not going to install this, because this is if your car doesn't have a parking camera. So it will not work while you're driving. So it will only work when you're parking. When you're in reverse parking, front and the inside camera, or the front and the backside camera. This is what comes. Well, it comes with the user manual. This is the power cable. This is the bracket with the suction for the window shield. This is the camera itself, and this is the rear camera. This is all that comes in the box. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful for you, and see you next time. Bye.